Hey guys, so today we're trying the earthquake and typhoon. I have never experienced this before. I mean, it's kind of ironic that it's a it's like a race to play. It's an experience to try. We're going down the tunnel to buy the ticket. Okay, we're already feeling the earthquake because the stairs is uneven. We're all wearing the raincoat. Actually, they said that it's not going to be wet. It's just a bit of water spray. But they give you this raincoat anyway for free. So yeah, you can wear it. Now we are here. This is, I think, the typhoon room. I'll be way behind because I don't want to get the water. Oh my god! Is it going to shake? Is it going to shake? So she's standing or sitting is okay.
Iya, aku jadi takut. Adik, nggak boleh pegang apa kah? Oh, boleh pegang situ. Okay.
She said I can hold on to this. I'm scared. Hey, but this is broken.
Duduk boleh, berdiri boleh.
She said, berdiri. Bego. Oh my god. So we exit the earthquake room and we see this. What is this? Whoa!
Stop.
I think it's a shaking bridge. Itu kan dia bilang warning, caution, bridge. Apa? Bridge is not stable. My English. What? Shaking bridge. Look at this. Way too long. You will feel dizzy. Labyrinth. So we try to find the way out. I managed to cross the shaking bridge by just closing my eyes. Pegangan tahu nanti kita kebingungan kebayangan orang. We need to hold on to each other during this mirror maze because or else we will be fooled by the reflection. We managed to get out. What a really fun experience. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Look at that. I'm all wet. Half of my body is wet. My hair also.